review. Alright, garage breaking, that's what I love to do. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Watching it through. So the biggest thing I'll say, homie, is just master everything. Master all your moves. Because right now it looks like you're definitely you're not super comfortable with a lot of what you're doing yet. So again, there's not much intention behind your movement. So what I'll really say is just try to, rather, like it's great to do sets and just like little throwdowns like this and combos and just mess around totally. But if you can start treating breaking with like drills for now, it's gonna make your quality of movement look so much better. So take like all your moves you have here, break them down and be like, what's my arms do? Like what are your arms on this step? Are they just flailing or is there intention behind them? And like, are your hands supposed to be going down there? Are they not? Are you really try to make everything as clear as possible. And that happens from drilling each move over and over again. That's how our quality of movement goes up. Yeah, it's not the most fun, but then it's gonna make your breaking look so much better. So what I really say is try to break down every single move you're doing here and clean it up. Just master every single move. Cool? Keep rocking. All right, rocking with the dog in the background. Let's go. All right. Nice. I like your flow. That's cool. Rocking that slippery cardboard style. Let's go. Hey. Nice. Hey. So again, I'm gonna say the same thing I said earlier to the other guy, and that's your tempo. Again, a lot of people, I feel like they go for this kind of like stylized, more style b-boy flow, which is dope. I mean, it's more my style than anything else, if anything. But what I will say is the same thing. When the tempo is the same the whole time, I honestly I lose interest. Because it's like a movie that just is all action the whole time. You want to have that roller coaster of tempo change. I would really play with, if you can have some go quicker, some go slower, some go emphasize slow motion, and then some at this speed. It's gonna make your style look that much better and exciting to watch. And I want to see energy. I like, especially when you guys are sending me stuff, like, bro, go all out. Or else they're gonna have old man Magnus being like, I'm bored. No, like, I want to see you at your most try hard so that I can help you the best that I can. And if this is at your most try hard, dope. This is my personal input. If I was watching you at a battle or whatever, I want to see you break with your heart, dog. And right now, I don't see your heart. And I want to see that when you're dancing. I want to see you care about every movement, all those hours you put in. Show me that by how much you care, if that makes sense. And literally, that just comes from like energy, dog. Like, again, if you're breaking just to kind of break and flow with it, that's cool, 100%. You do you. But obviously, you guys know my perspective. You know my style. You know how I break. So I'm gonna judge it from that perspective. Okay. Footwork's looking solid. Nice, that was cool. Hey, that was a nice tempo change. Hey, dope. One obvious thing, bro, finish like you are a gladiator. Don't finish like you just lost your round. That was dope. Finish strong. Yeah, the only other thing I'll say right now is like, yeah, you're definitely well on your way. I like your ideas. I like your styles. The biggest thing for me is I just want to see you mastering everything. Like, I want to see you doing it. Not right now. I feel like you're thinking about everything you're doing. Like, you're like, okay, now I'm gonna go here. Now I'm gonna go here. Now I'm doing this move to this move. I want to see you doing everything with your face at me, playing with it. Messing around. Oh, I'm gonna do this hand here, this hand here, this hand. Oh, what's up? Because when you can do that, it expresses that you have all your movements down so much that you don't even have to think about it, if that makes sense. So right now I feel like you're just in your head a lot. So the one thing I'd like to see is more mastery of movement, and then also playing with engaging in the camera more. Because we're again, we're in isolation, we're in quarantine. Like, use the camera as if you're battling someone. So battle me, dog. You know what I mean? Hey, let's go. Carpet breaking. Number 1. Why buy a carpet anywhere else? Hey, footwork's looking crisp, bro. I like it. Give me some clean footwork. Hey, I think the one thing I'll say is complete your stops. So you have like 3 or 4 in here moments where you kind of bring your foot over and you hit a slight knee pose or something. Like for instance, we have here, that's 1. And again, coming up right here, 2. You know what I mean? Those, I would like to see you have more fun with it, or just like steeze it a little bit more. Hit a more unique pose, stop like a beat longer, because the rest of your movement is all pretty quick. Right there, I would explore an even more extreme, laptop's gonna die! So I'd explore an even more extreme tempo change there. Steeze it a little bit more. Add a thread in, add some footwork thing, add some fire in, like add something funny, just something that's a little bit not so serious, in my opinion. Or if it is serious, like go harder on it then. Because you're already like I can tell you're very put together, you're serious, is what you want to do, that's dope, but I want to see those little moments in there even stronger, if that makes sense. Because then if you can do that, bro, it's just gonna make everything tied together so much nicer. This is what we're talking about, small space breaking. Let's go. Okay. I like your energy. Oh, is that it? I think your video cut off. Or you only sent me some more? No? Okay, but maybe you just want to show me your top rock. So biggest thing I'll say about your top rock, same thing as been saying to most people. Actually I haven't said this fully, but like complete your moves. So if you're doing a step, I want to feel your everything in that one step. If you're doing a pose, your hands going here, really make sure it's there. I talk a lot about these floating hands, and like what are your arms doing? Make sure they're doing something that's actually like have intention. Again, I know I've said this. This is the word of the video, everybody. Have intention behind your movement. But legit, like, there's so many floating hands. Guys, stop being lazy. We're breakers, dog. We do stuff on such extreme levels. We do such extreme movements, yet we are struggling with bringing our hand to our head, really? Or our hand fully here, or leaning fully into one foot. Like I'm telling you, fam, put your 100 into all your movements. Stop being lazy on your top rock. Stop being lazy on your footwork. Stop being lazy on the moves that may not require the same amount of energy as your favorite moves. If you can put that much energy into a head spin or a coin drop or into your 6-step, you can put that much energy into a 2-step front, into a crossover step. You can put your hand fully to your head. You know what I mean? No shade. I just get passionate about this. Look at this guy. Breaking on concrete with motorcycle lights. That's how we do it. Look at that concrete, fam. You're crazy. Dang. That's nasty. I like it. Yeah, bro, you having fun with it? I like it. Dope. Yeah, dude, I love that spin. Spin's so fire. Same thing I've kind of been saying. I would love to see a bit more of a unique entrance or way to get into it. If you are going to do a coin drop, I'd love to see some way to get into the coin drop. It's a little bit different than just going down into it. And out of the freeze, same thing. Like, what's a way you can get out of the freeze that doesn't feel like you just, this is a way to get out of my freeze, versus holy, he got out of his freeze that way. Like, that's how I like to always think about it, is how can you surprise people with the most unsurprising parts? Like, people expect you to just turn out of a freeze like this. Oh, I just get out of a freeze, you spin out of it. But what's a way you can get out of your freeze that will like shock people? You know what I mean? If you can figure that out, people are like, oh, that spin was crazy. And then if you do something crazy, they're like, oh, like that's when you get that second whoa factor. And when you can get that second whoa factor, that's when you really get people and the crowd and the judges on your side. Because you're not just wowing them once or twice. Everyone expects that one wow, but when you can keep continuing that, dog, it's like, it's just multiple pleasures, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. It's multiple pleasures. You know what I mean? So I legit didn't think I had that many videos, but then I forgot how much I talk, and I realized it's been going for like half an hour. So I guess I'm splitting this video up too. Sick. All right, next one. Okay, so as you guys know, like again, if this power I haven't really mastered yet, I will give you my best inputs from what I've visually seen and from the people I've trained around. But again, take everything I say with a grain of salt. So the one thing I remember from my trainings and from people telling me is right here, when you're putting your hand behind your head, you want to try and open your shoulders up as much as you can. If you can hold a head invert, I don't know if you've trained head inverts, but if you can hold a head invert right there, it's gonna make your halo that much better. So when you're sweeping off this arm, boom, try to reach that arm behind your head, not just beside your head. Because if you can get behind your head, it's gonna make the halo way more complete versus that pop, 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 come down like that. I have the same issue, and that's due to lack of shoulder flexibility and invert flexibility in my head invert. So I'd really recommend training that. Hope that helps. Lastly, I think we just have a couple poses from this homie who wanted to show me his freezes with masks and stuff. This is dope. I like it, bro. Unique. It's cool. Yeah, you definitely like your figure 4 freeze. I just want to, you got it in 3 different ones. Now I just want to see you have more variations on that. Again, this was a lot of fun for me. I hope that you guys find this helpful. I like when I'm kind of rants, and it's hard to upload every day when it's creative, unique content. So this is a way for me to kind of continue uploading daily that also kind of brings a little bit of variety to my life and makes me be able to work a little bit less hard on one of the days. So anyways, if you like this video, please, again, comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know if you'd like more. Don't forget to email me your footage if you'd like to be featured on the next one of these videos. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, smash the bell for more videos. Next video out. See you tomorrow. Love is love. Love is love.